Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? Today I'm going to share with you how to check your laptop battery health in Windows 10. You may be curious why it's so important to know the laptop's battery health. Well, for me, the laptop's battery capacity is one of the specs that I would consider when I'm purchasing a new laptop. Every battery doesn't last forever, it has a life cycle that includes the battery that powers your laptop. It is important to keep an eye on laptop battery's health because it likely will die at some point. I don't want to get stuck replacing my laptop in a pinch, and I don't want to buy a new laptop just because a battery died. Other than that, if you are buying a used laptop, it is important to check the battery's health too. The battery is one of the costly parts of a laptop. You may use the current battery health to bargain the price from the seller. Let me share with you now how to check the battery's health in Windows 10. This battery report is generated from a built-in Windows 10 app. At the top of the report, it shows you the general information about your laptop. Next to it is the laptop's battery summary report, such as the battery design capacity, full charge capacity, and cycle count. The other information such as recent usage. Usage history. We will skip those and focus on battery capacity history. In the battery capacity history, the left hand is current full charge capacity, while at the right hand is the design capacity. As you can see, the battery capacity will likely decline over time. The more you use your laptop, the more the battery capacity is dropped. Next, the most important information that we are interested in, the battery life estimates report. At the right, you'll see how long it should last based on design capacity. On the left, you'll see how long it's actually lasting. Next, let me show you how to generate this battery report. Search and run PowerShell. Please run as administrator. Then enter this command, or you may copy this command and paste here. I will share the command in the video description. Press the Enter key, and the report will be saved in C drive. Let's access to our C drive, and look for a battery-report.html file. Double-click to open the report. Hooray, here is it. Hope this video is helping you. Please leave me a comment if you have any queries. We end here today. If you found my video is helping, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.